tinny boat. And it's sunrise. And this is the hardest part, is going through this bit here of the waves, apparently. Oh, I've got to get courage to make it through. There's the sunrise over there. Anything? Oh, Steve's got to do the teaching. Okay, go.
We only just made it. Got a little bit wet, but we did it. Well done, Sharron.
Okay, where's Ross? You can get Ross. Behind you. Right, get him. We'll get a bit of him later. Amazing. We've got a line out so you can catch a carway smoking.
Sharron, bring it over.
Oh, don't lose it.
Oh, Sharron's just caught a big fish flapping in my face. My goodness. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, pretty good. It was nice. You alright? Oh, there's our fish we just caught. Cool. Okay, I have just pulled up big snapper and I'm absolutely wasted. Steve's just killing it before we get a photo of it. Oh, I didn't think I could do it. I was even getting a...
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Here's my big mama. Oh my goodness.
You got it?
Hang on, no, higher?
Oh no, I'm going to let it go.
Oh, okay. There it is.
Huge.
I just pulled that one out and I'm wasted.
Cool. What is it? I better get the net ready.
I know, I'll put it between my legs and I can do it.
Good on you, Sharron. Oh, we've got the balloon out. Sharon's got a decent sized fish here.
Oh!
I'll just get the net ready. Get the net ready.
My arms are burning.
Where is she? She's already caught a 7-pounder. Oh. Where is it? Coming up. Go, Sharron. Oh, she's going to have strong arms after this. Oh, it's a big one. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Good. What a beautiful fish.
Ross!
Woohoo! Are you happy? Oh, look at that. That is a humdinger. Oh.
Is it off? Oh, the camera, don't lose the camera.
No, it's not off.
Oh.
It's still there.
Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. Wow. Steve and I have just caught carway, 2 at the same time. Look at that. They're enormous. So, good smoking.
Look at that.
Yeah, I know. At exactly the same time.
Oh, nearly lost it. This is Sharron's fish, but I'm pulling it up.
Because I'm too weak. I've been catching too
Hey, look at
many.
this, Sharron. Look at this. It's a big one. Look at that. You got it?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, I just couldn't do it.
Yeah.
I was just too...
Uh-oh.
Don't lose it, darling.
Look at
Oh
this.
my goodness. Look at that. How big is that?
And we are 700 metres off the shore.
Wow. I just couldn't pull them
Oh,
up.
that is insane.
How many pounds? It's fighting. Have you got him?
Something's caught.
Oh, is it this? It's the fishing rod. And where's the fish? Is it from there?
Wow.
Oh my goodness, it's the biggest fish I've ever caught.
What do you want to say about this, Sharron?
Oh, I got blood all over me from him.
Uh-oh.
Okay, this is the biggest carway and the biggest snapper I've ever caught.
Good, well done.
Look at the teeth on them.
Yeah, you did well.